show every year, no dog. All right now, him have a show forward up. When get about 4 5 month promotion at Barclay'S Center. And me can tell a brother right now that they should have never sell out, and I ticket them myself for 0 cent.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How we the latest news them lock.
Man, don't know a thing set, you know. Yeah, man. So people, you don't know, make sure you go and go buy on a ticket. You understand? Because Alkaline, I got there at Barclay'S next year, March. I think the 21st. You understand? But look here now. You don't know how the Gaza fan thing work. Yeah, man. Anytime Alkaline do a thing, something where we're different. See? Because look here now. When you check it, I want to really hear with them Gaza man in the car. So my time I have to laugh. You see it? And it's so, what do you call it? Grateful for say, yo, that youth were boss wedding. Seeing Alkaline. Him just gone a decade in the business. Cause him established around about 2013. So seeing? Yeah, so I'm go like about 12 years now. Yeah. And the youth do a great thing in a dancehall. But I want to not hear them Gaza man. Alkaline are going to Barclay'S in a film, show and team up with Reggae Fest. But I want to not hear what them say.
Show every year, no dog. All right now, him have a show forward up. When get about 4 5 month promotion at Barclay'S Center. And me can tell a brother right now that they should have never sell out, and I ticket them myself for 0 cent.
All right, one that you know, we get back to you, please, come. You know what? That road they will go up on a different road. I want next do that.
You see me, I say, so me don't know whether I say cartel and cartel this and cartel that. Brother, the man right now teacher don't tell the whole world say any day him forward back in a club, him system now do arena again. That's it for him.
I that.
Yeah, him chew the towel.
Him chew the towel.
Yeah, him chew the towel. The man don't tell a brawling. You see me, I say, but the man not reach a teacher yet. Right now, teacher have a good, me I say one good 10 years leave a dancehall, you know, brother.
Nah, the man already, dog, I should not even know, dog, the man already yet, dog.
You ready for what?
Yo, what are the man? Let me explain something like I just said that, so. Yo, man, the man are ready to that. Dog, the man not ready to move yet. The man not ready yet. So all who worry things they crown around the corner, all who think the man see him going, dog, him not ready yet. Him not ready yet, brother, I know them. All right, remember when Junior Gang and Nas do a tour? Remember that tour there? To do an album. That the man have an album I found with a rapper, you know.
But uncle, look at it.
Hold on, man. Would I use a cartel get 8 at 100 one time, you know? Look at blood class there.
Yo, you hear them talk? We say every time them money talk, people you have to laugh. So man say have some, remember you know, them say cartel is a man, but them just a talk about album where enough top artists are got on it. But the things yeah, cartel are pulling him own strings and all of them little thing there. But we see the project them, man Busta Rhymes and Yekan and him and Travis Scott them depend, you know, depend collab and all of them thing them. I think the same man wanna say I move the genre because he might use the same, he might use other people. You understand? Him now sell the album them or if he sell all of these things. And him say, wow, 8 billboard and 1 bag of thing. But things a cartel could not do it by himself, man. Why need all of them collab there from them big artists overseas? Eh? How I go on? You see, because remember, you know, when I say 10 years left, when I say him have 10 more years, well, let's see. But right now, him not drop a bag of song where people are go, you know, I go with like oh back then, so. We're going to see, yeah, him have a little more show for do, yes. Some place where him not go yet, we understand with that. But when reality forward, we're not going to realize and see what I go on.
Him not ready yet to move.
Uncle, two things me I go say. But one part where you say him not ready yet. How would Cartel be ready to leave yet when everything that he wanted to achieve is at his fingertips right now? Remember say in the handicap 2 years, he couldn't travel. Way before he went to, he was incarcerated.
First time,
and then he was incarcerated for under 13 years. So now that him out and can go anywhere in the world where him can literally in a studio with any artist right now want work.
Any big producer.
Why would he turn his back on the business? No. When he man telling us say dancehall and everything.
But me not understand with you, bro. Yeah, go on like say being at a place like bro, Cartel been pulling out doing music. Cartel been doing collab when him there prison, brother, with big artists out there, fam. So yeah, try say. Me not understand them money. Sometimes I wonder if Cartel lead there. If Cartel lead there prison and never release music. Bro, music is music, bro. You understand? We see Cartel come out and drop 4 albums, and only one of them we know sell 980 copies, brother. 4 albums. You understand? So, bro, the man been doing music. So, what the difference when him father wrote and I do music now? No music, people are going to listen. People are going to buy and all of them look at something there. Eh? Remember say at prison him get gold from, you know. When him there at prison, a gold him get in a prison. You understand? And, bro, the man been dropping songs, dropping albums, but where are the numbers? Wagwan. You understand? So, are them things you don't even look into, brother. You see me, cause when I look on something like some hype thing and feel like say I saw the music there and I saw it go, brother, me I tell you from now. You understand?
Yeah, I know him getting glory.
Yeah, but uncle, let me ask you a question. Don't the world is big?
Yeah, man.
So me don't understand. Cartel in anybody way.
Bro, alright. You know what say you have right now we have Jamaican artists we have perform same way when last you see players and them Monday, Shakali was on them Monday.
But brother, you know what them not understand? Bro, nobody never say Cartel now go still at the show all when brother, people just say the way me usually drop the hit song them and them like a thing there. Shaka Demus them nah drop no hit song, brother. The elderly artists them nah drop no inside them a work off of them catalog, bro. Vice Cartel have a huge catalog, so him can do shows pan that. Shaka Demus them nah really drop song like that, brother. Them just use them legacy and all of these things to do them show same way because at the end of the day, people were in a feed them era. You know, them are always want to see them artists. Yeah. Them are the artists where them grew up on. You understand? And I just that are the thing, bro. But it's so funny so many times people why them always compare Alkaline with Vice Cartel. Because when you check it, for a man, remember you know, Alkaline fought in a game about 2013. Cartel from about him there on that game from about 1993. But you know, like in 2000 him get the break and everything. By 2010, 2011, right? End up him go prison. This is the problem now. Nobody never send Cartel go prison, bro. You understand? So nobody never block him. Him couldn't go certain place. It's a reason, you know, bro. Cartel himself hold back his career now. I don't realize. And nobody. Cartel because you know whatever atmosphere him have around him. Whatever things happen around him, it affect him career, bro. So him forget the blame for him own career because if him did that move good, all of these things keep him surrounding less negative and badness and all of that, him would not go these places. You understand? So anybody forget the blame at him because if me know say if him did that do good and keep him circle clean and all of them something here, it would have been different. Him could have go these places. You understand? Now him can go these places and do him one, brother. But nobody never stop him career. So now him get the chance to do it. You understand? But everybody that looks at yo, man I forward out and even him himself, right people? Even him himself say yo, if him did day road, them time him day prison, him would not sell platinum twice on a Sunday. When him come out, is the opposite. You understand? But he show say yo, reality. Things and time change, brother. Things and time change. When him they have a bag of show, yo, dancehall, now him not on a show. Me not hear not talk again, brother. Alkaline have your show in a Barclay'S, you know them are gonna say, oh, you know see the price different, the price low, you see a little price that. At the end of the day, the youth still are gonna do it. Because when you check it, after Alkaline bus, there no other artists. When Alkaline bus change the game in the new generation, there's no other artist who do what Alkaline I do. You understand? No other artist when it comes to the young generation them. You understand? So I don't know what I try say, bro. And so that's why I know say yo Alkaline is a great artist because how can a youth where just gone a decade, Vice Cartel where been in a game from in the 90s, You understand? And compare this a youth yeah, with Cartel. Remember, you know, people, there's so many artists in a dancer where them could have compare with. But you know why them even a compare the artists them? Is because the two of them have the impact and have the influence. You understand? In a dancer, like two biggest fan base in a dancer, like that's why the comparison, the intelligence and all of these things. Because when Vice Cartel fought in a game, they must say, yo, I don't know who next to go forward and do the place when Alkaline drop, yo, mash up the place, take away the attention, everything. You understand? Young youth, him just forward in a game, nobody never highlight him, everything. And I just say thing go, but we have to give Alkaline him credit. We have to give Cartel do him thing. You understand? But Alkaline have a long way to go. He have more time and he's doing great already. Because Vice Cartel, first 10 years in his career, him never reach at that peak. The peak where Alkaline reach, Cartel never reach at that peak yet. Because right now, Alkaline have like him have a organization. Him have new rules. Him own a show where I keep worldwide. Now Vice Cartel first 10 years, him never have no show or nothing. Them time there. So the youth are do well right now. You understand? But at the end of the day, Vice Cartel are the bigger artists. Because him have a huge catalog and him have a more longer time span in the business. You understand? Yeah. So sometimes when me compare the two artists and bro, me I say, bro, come on, brother. You understand? Nobody now go do what Cartel I do. But it's fine. Because at the end of the day, he have the advantage over the other artists. Them a lot of things with Cartel, a lot of things. Like you can say half or 60 to 70% of dancehall in Dance Vibes Cartel, bro. That away give him that power there when him in a prison. For keep people talking. The artists them. If you check the artists them with that boss in the young generation, them align themselves with the Gaza thing like Skilly Bang, the Six them, who else? A lot of artists. You don't know Popcorn did there. Spice the worldwide that promote Vice Cartel for years. For years, people. For years. You understand? Plus, Cartel have Busta Rhymes them. Him a link with Cardi B them. A lot of people were out there and make sure Russian them we have promote. You see me? There's too much artists, brother. Demarco them. The amount of artists with the Gaza thing, bro. I'll be man when I time I say, yo, Gaza, me say. So, bro, those are the advantage where them if so much artists I give this money at one strength, it's like Cartel a climb a ladder and them money I push him up the ladder for reach. For go pick a fruit or whatsoever. You understand? So him a go reach, brother. No for who in a dancehall where we get endorsement and highlight. Like how Vice Cartel get it. You understand? Only somebody when me could have said get that. Seeing? And I just show them 8 team. But them know say, yo, the youth do it. And it's Alkaline. You understand? Because when you check it, the two biggest fan base we are go at it. A Vendetta and Gaza right now. You understand? And in a Cartel generation, and then you have Alkaline generation. Seeing? You have like 2 of them pin the talking point. Them a do them look at arena and all of them look at something here. Come in by now, bro. Cartel only do him first world tour right now. Him first world tour in him career him a do. So him have more shows. Him have all done in Africa. Him not go Africa yet. That a one whole Africa tour. We know that, bro. You understand? Because him just get certain things and certain achievements just a later time in him age. Him should have get that like, but you don't know. Him put himself in a problem and him end up go prison. So him couldn't get all of them. And who knows? We don't know what would happen if Cartel did their road. Or if him would have get visa for go these place. There's a lot of things we're not sure about. But we have to work with where we are seeing now the present and what happened. You understand? Because it never happened back then. So we couldn't know what would have happened them time there. You understand? But him found out and him a do him thing. Him just get certain things where him did forget back then already. You see it? Yeah. And he's a great artist. But Alkaline is doing great at such a age, a young age. You understand? Alkaline about 31 or 32. You understand? And Cartel, what time Cartel go prison? But when him about maybe like 30 something. 35 for around them age, in the 30s. I'm not sure, but and I saw the thing set in a way where you have to just know, say, look here, the two artists them are great artists them. Because I two of them name been calling for years. Some Alkaline boss are Alkaline. Because that's the thing, you know. Them compare the artists, them to Alkaline copy and everything, but the true fact is that the two man them talented and them have an impact and the influence. You understand? And the music, yeah. But Alkaline forward, after Alkaline bus, a be a young youth start bus over that because enough people never believe in a young youths. You understand? They never believe in our young youths in that way. If you say, yo, how the youth are in a dancehall and them not carry him. And him just fly through the gate. So when the whole industry say, yo, where am I do? And if you see the youth in our, you could have say, 4 years in a youth career after him bus. The youth have him own a show, pull over how much thousands of people in a history. Seeing based on him age and how him forward in a game. No. I think none of them dancehall artists here never do that. When them just bus, fear pull this a crowd by themselves. You understand? And the youth have him show them all over the world, dog. You understand? But at the end of the day, fam, Cartel are doing thing, Alkaline are doing thing. Whatever Cartel are doing have nothing to do with Alkaline, bro. Nothing to do with Alkaline. Because at the end of the day, Alkaline have more years left. Cartel do him years. Him just a do. What him never do back then. On a high capacity. You on a high rate. Because him never did that do a bag of arena and them little thing there. You understand? Now him a go all over the world, Canada. Because remember saying no go Canada. Cartel never yet go Canada yet, you know. Imagine an artist never go Canada. And him have so much impact in a dancehall and them things. So imagine when him go over there. He must be in an arena and you understand? That have to go on. You see, but who make that happen? Drake. That's why I tell you, say, enough of these international acts endorse Vybz Cartel. That's why I'm thinking it's so powerful over the artists them. You understand? Yeah, Drake did endorse Popcorn, but nobody, if I never for Vybz Cartel, nobody would not endorse Popcorn. So when you check it, Vybz Cartel have more endorsement over Popcorn. You see it? And him have a lot of things over Popcorn, but Popcorn big out there. You see it? Him have the numbers and everything. You see it? But you don't know OVO and them link there. Yeah, make it go on. So, people, may I tell you this. Everybody have to just go and do them thing. You see it? Alkaline, I gotta do what him have to do. And the youth I do a lot. May I tell you. Because what a young generation I do Alkaline I do. Name one of them. Young generation. We attack after Alkaline bus 2013. Which other artists were bus after Alkaline? Where I do the arena them and such an impact when they know about fan base. We can pull crowd the real way. Tell me who. You have the comment section. Tell me who after 2013 when Alkaline bus. Tell me which other artists can do what him do in a dancehall. Tell me. You have the comment section. But people, when don't know now, one media facts, you know what things said. Bless up. You see it? That is it.